What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. Wanted to thank you for checking out today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a walkthrough of the Trevi model brought to you by Lennar Homes here in Verdana Village. The Trevi is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,032 square feet. I'm going to put some music on, let you guys take the quick tour, and I'll check back in with you when the video is over. I don't know, I can't shuffle. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for checking out the home tour of the Trevi model brought to you by Lennar here in Verdana Village. If you have any questions about Verdana Village or the Trevi model, feel free to click the link in the description box below, or if you would like to give me a call or shoot me a text, you can reach me at 239-823-1685. Thank you again for checking out today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.